How to buy fermentation equipment in China. Beer fermentation is the technique by which yeast in beer converts glucose into ethanol. When buying beer fermenters, beer technology and fermentation cost business are the details to pay attention to. Tiantai winemaker will share how to choose domestic fermentation tanks. The craft beer industry has a wide variety of fermenters. Need to choose beer craft equipment with unique fermentation tanks. Consider the quality and thickness of the board and use a material that can withstand the stress of the fermentation process. Check that solder joints are well grounded. Fermentation and processing equipment must be strong enough. Consider evaluating water-jacketed fermentation plants with temperature controllers. Use suitable product materials and modern product packaging technology when packing the machine. The manufacturer's after-sales maintenance will make you more assured to buy products.